So good evening everyone, this is Christine Lacy Toy. So in today's activity, we are going to do the turning model 1 in IETVET. Our workpiece here has a total length of 150 and a diameter of 23 mm and a small diameter of 18 mm. So with this, let us start. The first thing that we will do is to set our machine. Then we would click the workpiece and decide to what length our workpiece will be. The length of the workpiece, also the diameter of the workpiece. So first thing we should do is to put the length into 160 millimeter because we are going to do facing operation and we'll get rid of 5 millimeter in each both ends of the workpiece. Next is the diameter. So in the model, it is written there that the diameter of the workpiece is 23 diameter and 18 diameter, so we would set our diameter into 25 and we would do the turning operation for us to be able to get the 23 and 18 diameter. So we would measure. So as you can see, we have a length of 160 and a diameter of 25. So we would have to pick our hole kit, number 5 and number 33. So let's start the facing operation first. So let us check the measurement. So we get rid of the 5 millimeter to this first side, then we will do the other side. The next operation that we will do is the turning operation, which we will be doing in order for us to achieve the desired diameter of the workpiece, which is 23 millimeter in diameter. So let's operate. Now that we achieve the ideal length and diameter, we would proceed in doing the grooving operation. So we would use this toolkit in grooving operation. So this is our 18 millimeter in diameter and our distance of 45 millimeter, because this whole length is 150 millimeter and we got the distance of 45, so the remaining distance with a diameter of 23 millimeter is 105, so it's correct. Next is we would see the actual photo, or we would check the actual photo. So this is the actual photo. So we already got this 18 diameter with a length of 45 millimeter, and as you can see here, we will pass a length of 25 millimeter with a diameter of 23 and do a grooving in that distance with a length of 30 millimeter and have its diameter into 23. I mean into 18 diameter. Already know that our tool that we are using has a 3 millimeter in measurement, so we must have an allowance of 3. So instead of 70, exact 70, we would do 73. So let's try it. So we already know that we have a diameter 23 here, so we must groove it and have its diameter into 18. Now the last step or the last operation that we would do is chamfering operation. We're gonna use an angle of 45 degree, negative 45 degree. Then we are going to chamfer this part. then the other side also. So we are going to use this in order for us to chamfer the other parts. We must do it carefully in order to not harm the workpiece. This is quite difficult. After doing chamfering, this is our final output. Now we are going to off our machine. That would be all. Thank you.